So this is the kitchen. So I just left PT. Today is, what's today's date? January 7th, right? No, today's January 9th. Yeah, so today's January 9th. I just left PT and now I'm about to head to my mom's job just to sit there after I get me a drink from McDonald's, and then I have to head back to my dorm to get the rest of my stuff out of my dorm. I leave for school Friday, so I head down there on Friday, me and my dad, and then I haven't seen you guys in a while, so what's up? So I do plan on doing a car tour video for you guys, so I'm gonna do that car tour video probably when I get to school. I'll do it then, but I promise I will do a car tour video for real. I really. So I'm here now at my old room, moving all my stuff out. Everything, you guys, is gone. I'm sorry I never got to do a room tour or anything before, but yeah. So now I have to take the joy of taking down my pictures. Right now we're at Chipotle. Got my food, and I'm about to head back to my apartment. We just went to Walmart, so I got a whole bunch of stuff. I'll show you if I remember all the stuff I got. And I got finished moving. I get a chicken ball. In my water. So this is the kitchen, and then this is the stools. Yeah, this is the living room. The balcony's out there. This is my room. I haven't put anything away, like so much stuff. This is my closet. It's a walk-in closet, and it's my bathroom. So yes. So yeah, I moved all my stuff in. I just gotta put all of it away, but yeah. But yeah, so that's so far. I have to put my groceries away. I got lots of stuff. So right now I'm at one of the basketball games. It's a high school though. But yeah. It's the next day, and it's like, I don't know, it's like 1 in the morning, 1 in the afternoon maybe. Right now I'm putting my clothes away, so I had shirts and stuff in here, so I'm going to put t-shirts in the bottom drawer, and like just put other stuff in here, and then hang up a lot of my stuff. And these are the hangers I got. I don't know if I'm going to actually do a haul, but I got 2 pack of 18 hangers for like $1 or $2 at Target. And then I'm gonna put my shoes here and my hoodies here. I put like bags up there. And then I'm gonna put all my clothes on these hangers, and then maybe like coats and jackets on the blue, whatever color that is. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Just getting myself. Just when I thought I was done with my drawer of t-shirts, it was like, oh, I'm done. I got a whole bag. So I put other clothes in the laundry, so I'll have to get those clothes also first. So we're not almost done with t-shirts. So more shirts that I have to put away. So I could probably just start a whole new drawer. Thought I was almost done, but now that I think about it, I might actually have enough hangers to hang all my sweatshirts up, but I might not. So I'm just gonna fold my sweatshirts first like I did at my old school, and then decide from there what I'm gonna do. I'll probably hang my hats up there too. Oh, that's gonna be really cute. Okay. Alright, so I've got my shorts and leggings, like workout leggings, not like leggings I would wear out, up here, and like you can see the like the logos, so that way I know which is which. And then down here there's my sweatpants, and then I just went ahead and just put my skirts in here. So I got my bags up there. I got my sweatshirts. I'm about to put more sweatshirts, hats I got in here. These are my jeans. I just felt it made sense to put my belt there. And then in here I have leggings, shorts, and skirts, because those are like my really thin leggings, and I probably wear more jeans right now than leggings. So, and then that's just my pajamas and that tutu because I don't know where to put it. Oh my god, yes, we've got another razor, two razors, 3 deodorants. I do have a lot of deodorants. I use Old Spice, but I got those like all over my bags. Lotion and toothpaste. I was going to pick up like all of that today at the store. Luckily I don't. I'm going to put all that stuff actually in my bathroom because I have a bathroom now. Oh shoot, I thought I was done with my shoes. Literally forgot I packed a whole duffel just full of shoes. Oh my god. So, I got shoes that I don't really wear as much. And like for like more spring, I'll put up there. I thought I was done, you guys. I was so happy with like my shoes. I'm not. I still gotta organize my closet. So, here we go. At the store, got lots of food to last me for a while. So, yes. Good morning. Oh my god, good morning. Today is January 14th. It's the next day. And right now, I'm up. It was like just 11:13. So I just brushed my teeth after I laid in bed for about 30 minutes to probably like 45 minutes. I ran my devotional this morning and I prayed, which was really good. The devotional today was like about worrying and anxiety, and that's literally what I've been doing. I've been so nervous about starting a new school and a new track program and just everything. But like my roommates are good, so like that helps a lot. Like I've not really known to have good roommates and everything. So basically right now I'm about to make breakfast because I'm about to go to my school's basketball game. It's at 2 o'clock. So I'm gonna Uber there because it snowed. So I'm gonna Uber and not walk. But my school's like a mile away. It's a basketball game if I didn't say. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Breakfast is made. So rest my stuff up here. But yeah, I got some bread and some bagels. 2 things, sweet potatoes, regular potatoes. What is this? For my chips and salsa, oatmeal, silverware, and cups. So yeah, I'm just cut this banana in half. I'll have the other half later. Oh yeah, and I got some lemon water. I'm finishing off from last night. My bad, I did a terrible job. So right now, I'm about to head to the game. My Uber will be arriving in 2 minutes, so I'm about to head downstairs. But yeah, I'm just wearing my Mo State University shirt, jeans, jeans and Uggs. And I'm about to put my North Face on. And yeah, it's the game. I'm excited. It's my first one. Yay, so I'm gonna head downstairs to see if I can find my Uber. Alright, bye guys. So I like changed my location. Like I was like, oh, it was like, would you like to give your Uber your exact location? Well, apparently I did it wrong and it sent my Uber somewhere else. And I called him and he's like, I'm like really far from where you are, so just cancel it. And I was like, okay. So now I'm waiting on a new Uber and I'll get to the game at 2:04. So I'll be late, but it's fine. And it's like literally snowing outside. I'm like really mad that my Uber, like I probably won't vlog, like talk to the camera in the game, but I will show you guys some of the game. But I ain't vlogging, I don't know nobody yet, like I'm new. But yeah, I'm like really mad because stupid location pin sent my Uber somewhere else. And luckily he was like, I won't charge you, and I was like, thanks, don't charge me because you didn't come get me. So yeah, so now I'm just waiting. Yeah, so I got lost. My Uber, it's the whole story. I'll tell you later. I'm at the game now. I'm trying to find my seat. So yeah, I was in the wrong section. I was all the way up top. I was like the same rate. I'm at the lower part, so I'm gonna go find my row. So now I'm back in my apartment. I just left the Uber, obviously, and the elevator took forever to get up here. So I got this at the game. I think you're supposed to get this if you're going to get their autograph, and like, no, thank you. I'm KennedyBrightCollabs. They should be getting my autograph. Just kidding. No, I'm really not. But yeah, so I need to eat actually. So I'm gonna eat. My head's starting to hurt again and my eyes, so I need to rest them. But I'm gonna eat and figure out what to do. I try to do my edges today, you guys. I don't ever do them. Yeah, so I did that, you know. I was like, oh, okay, so I did a little something. what it, you know, like I'm just like popping everywhere. Like I don't have highlight here, but you know, yeah. Oh, I don't know if I showed you guys my shower curtain, but that's a shower curtain I got. I don't know if I did, I can't remember. And that's like just the rug I got. I got it at Walmart, and I was like, I don't want this, I want just a white one. And I was like, get me your white. And then I found this one, I was like, oh, this is cute. Everything else was like either too like adult-ish apartment, or it was like little kid. That was the other thing. I was in the bathroom because the lighting was like way better. But that was the other thing. When I went to the game, I went to the will call because my friend had got me a ticket, and they were like, oh snap. And she was like, it's under your name or their name. So I gave them their name, and it didn't work. And I was like, they said they put me on the list. And she's like, oh, if it's a player list, then it's somewhere else. I had to like go around the corner. And I was like, oh, not to like sign my name to get like the ticket or whatever. And I was like, oh, I felt like so official. It's like VIP or something. Somebody was in my seat, but you know, I wasn't gonna be petty or anything. But I was like, no, honey boo boo, you're in my seat. Move. Move. But I didn't. I just sat. These nice family moved over and let me sit right there. And I was like so pissed the whole time because he acted like he had a whole attitude. I looked at him, I'm looking, and I'm like 9, 10. Definitely says 11. And I was like, and don't look at me sideways because I got the paper right here, honey. It says K, section K, row 6011. That's Kennedy Bright spot. But we're gonna let it go. I'm gonna go eat a meal now. Maybe I might not. I don't know. Okay, so I'm just gonna end the vlog here so that way this vlog will not be super long. So yeah, this is the end of this vlog. Thank you so much for tuning in. Subscribe down below so you can see more videos, and if you want to like have post notification, hit the little bell. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed and will join me on my new journey of my new life and my new school. So yes, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. So my first week of college, I'll put in my next vlog, which is gonna be interesting because I will be lost today because I know where nothing is, and I have to Uber for my first day because I need to get my student ID so I can ride the bus. So yeah, my car comes in town. So yeah, so we're just gonna have a good day. All right.